It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.